I have a question for you. Do you love pizza? I love pizza. I could eat pizza literally every single day. I mean, that's probably not a good thing, but still, it has all the macronutrients you need, right? It has carbohydrates, it has proteins, it has fats, it has tomato sauce, it has dairy. It's like the perfect food. I mean, think about it. Even the government thinks pizza is perfect. If you look at the recommended dietary guidelines, it looks like a slice of pizza. So today, I'm going to introduce you to the largest slice of pizza in New York. I mean, this thing is massive. It is huge. And if you're ever in New York, I definitely recommend checking this place out. But besides pizza, I'm also going to show you a cool trick that you could do with YouTube, and that's how to get the YouTube classic layout back. Now, what is this? Well, over the past couple of years, YouTube has been changing the way the website looks. They've given YouTube a modern, fresh overhaul, and I think it looks great. But if you know me, if you know the videos that I create, I'm always creating websites, I'm always coding websites, I'm always dissecting and analyzing websites. And whenever I come up with a new trick or whenever I discover something new, I like to share it with people. Just like the video I created a while ago where I showed people how to upload images directly to Instagram from their computer. Now, why would you want to get the classic layout of YouTube back? Well, it could be a design preference. Maybe you don't like the way the modern layout looks and you want to go back to the classic layout. Or maybe it's for performance, because if you're not visiting YouTube on Chrome, then you're going to find that the website itself can actually load pretty slow. But if you use the trick that I'm going to show you in this video, reverting back to the classic layout might improve the performance issues. Alright, so let's jump on the computer and let's see how we're going to get the classic layout of YouTube back. And I'm going to introduce you to New York's largest slice of pizza. Alright, so I'm going to jump on the computer now and I'm going to demonstrate how to get this done. Let's do this. Alright, so you see here we are on my YouTube channel, Pics and Web, and it's using the modern layout. But let's go to the URL bar and use a URL parameter. # disable _ polymer equals 1. And this is going to take us from the modern layout to the classic layout. And this is what the classic layout looks like. So again, it's just the URL parameter right there. But now I'm going to take this whole URL and I'm going to open up an incognito window and paste in the regular URL, just to show you what it looks like when you're not signed in. This is again the modern layout. Now let's put that URL parameter in there again. We'll reload the page, and now we see we have the classic layout back. And you see as you go through the different sections of the website, it stays with you. Now if you want to go back to the modern layout, you just disable that URL parameter and you'll be back to the modern layout. And it's really that simple. Alright, so Caleb here, he wants to challenge me in eating this pizza slice. He has his own slice, a 2-footer pizza, and I have my own. And we're going to see who's actually able to finish the slice of pizza. Now, if he finishes it, he doesn't have to pay me $18 for the slice. But if he doesn't, then he owes me 18 bucks. Let's see. Yep, we're both sweating. This is a tough one. The look of concern. Halfway done with the slice, and that's it. I think we're done. Alright, so what did you think? Did you think we were going to actually be able to finish that slice of pizza? I mean, it's 2 feet long. That is the biggest slice of pizza I've ever seen. That could have probably just fed me and my entire family. Just one slice. But let me tell you, that pizza is awesome. So one of the best slices of pizza I've ever had. So if you're ever in New York, in the Yonkers area, go check out Pizza Barn. They are located at 70 McLean Avenue, Yonkers, New York. And that's the information right there. So definitely check them out and let them know that Pics and Web sent you. Now, what do you think about the YouTube trick? Are you going to be using the classic layout of YouTube, or are you going to stay with the modern design? Me, I'm going to stay with the modern design, but I want to share that tidbit of information with people who may want to go back to the classic editor. Alright, so if you like tips like this, check out some of my other videos. I have a few videos on how to do things with Instagram, like how to upload photos directly to Instagram from your computer. So if you're the type of person who likes to edit your photos before you upload them, maybe you want to blur some faces out, or maybe you want to color grade some of the images, then this is going to be a trick that's going to be very helpful. So I'll leave a link in the card section up above and down in the description area. Alright, so if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit that subscription button and the notification icon, so that way when I create a new video, you'll be notified. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.